Hey guys, Coach David here with Trading Friends. Welcome to the Trading Room. In this quick little 5-minute video, which is typically all that I do, I don't record our live sessions and put on YouTube because I don't want people to think that they can just watch a YouTube video or watch me broadcast live and duplicate the same results that I'm duplicating or duplicate the same results that other members are duplicating. So, full disclosure, I'm using YouTube to see if I can pique someone's interest enough to come take a free class. That's really all that it is. So, happy Saturday morning. It's about 10 minutes till 10 over on the East Coast. And this, what you're looking at, is our Slack group. And what I'm looking for is to get 20 people in Slack. I'm set up over there now where I can host 20 people. So I'm looking for 20 people. As you can see, top right hand corner here, I have 7 people that are in the Slack group. Now, these 7 people, all but one have taken the strategy psychology course, and they're either with me live when I'm doing this from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. and sometimes as late as lunchtime, Monday through Thursday. They have their screen pulled up with the Slack where I'm showing each trade. I'm showing where I got in. I'm going over the whole process, right? I'm doing that live, but when I'm doing it live, we're actually looking at my charts. So today we're not going to look at charts. If you look at all the old past videos, you see a lot of charts. To some of you guys who's been trading a long time, I see a lot of YouTube creators and influencers, and they're making $8,000 a day and $1 million a week and all these really cool things. And just to be honest with you, that's not reality. I'm not saying they're not doing it. I would never call somebody a liar. But what I'm saying is if they can do that, that doesn't mean they can teach you how to do it, right? Like if I go out here and build a trailer and weld it with perfect beads and it's spotless and it looks awesome, you watching me weld for 15 hours is not going to make you a good welder. It just doesn't happen. So I'm looking for 20 people in this Slack group. When we get to 20 and I get some people trained up to where I'm not saying the same thing over and over and over again and you're starting to grasp little pieces, so people fall out, right? Which is extremely appropriate. You only have to stay in the Slack group if you enjoy getting live trading signals. If you want to learn how to trade on your own, then take the course, show up here. Once you prove to yourself, not me or not these other people, once you prove to yourself you can do it, then golly, man, by all means leave. You don't need that, right? You don't have to go to driver's ed once you've been driving a car for 20 years, unless you get a lot of speeding tickets, and then they'll send you back to driver's ed because they're going to say you missed something, right? Like the part where you go to speed limit. So come hang out with me. This is the Slack group. 10 years ago, we had lots of channels. I had books and a library and all that. I found out that most people like this hands-on training. So you're going to see 2 channels. Information channel, which is where all the information is recorded. Now, I'm giving a play-by-play here for people like Neville. This gentleman here, he lives in Australia. He only trades on a broker. So he's only paying attention to this signal channel. And then the signal channel, I'm telling him it's got the time. This is where you sell it. This is where you sell it. You know, and based on his experience where he's going to take profits. For the folks that are with me live, they're looking at the chart. And all of this is like, and I even said this post is for YouTube. I recorded it in the wrong channel. I recorded this in the information channel, but I leave it there for transparency because they can say, oh, okay, that's the trade that he's just sending to YouTube, and it hit all 3 targets in 30 minutes. And so set your TP, it's gnarly. So I'm teaching you all of this in real time. And as you can scroll down through here, you can kind of see at this point at almost 8:54 in the morning, we were 3-0 and number 3 was still running. And if it wins, we get a double whammy. And the news broke. And here's Mike Fasola saying he took a full in the money and that he knows we're not recording full in the monies, but full in the money's hit 73%, which means out of 26 trades, 19 went as far as they could possibly go. So anyway, this is how we do it. I give a breakdown at the end. I took 5 trades on Thursday. The first 4 hit all 3 of the targets. The 5th one lost. We had an 81% win rate for the week. We're currently at 76% with 45 wins, 14 losses. And then I'll do this in the groups of 10. So if you want to join me, come hang out with me. Let's start at the ground floor. Let's see if this is something you're interested in. Know that it takes years to learn this. It does not take years to make money. It takes years to be self-sufficient. I would say that by the time you go through the entire course, within a year's time, you should be able to place trades and have the same results. 7 and 3 out of 10, 9 and 1 out of 10, 9 and 1 out of 10, 6 and 4 out of 10, 8 and 2 out of 10, 7 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10, 8 out of 10, 8, I mean, you can see it, and so can everybody else. So, I'm looking for 13 people. So, if you have time to trade in the mornings from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m., then come hang out with us for free and see if it's something you can do. If it's something you want to do, then let's talk about the courses. Let's talk about the classes, all of the different things. I will never push anything on you. You have to want to do this. It's not get rich quick. It's not get rich slow. As a matter of fact, if your brain goes to getting rich or making $8,000 or making $500 a day and all those things, then you're already on the wrong track, right? Your goal should be, can I learn how to do one of two things? Either A, can I learn how to follow a signal where he sends me the signal and tells me exactly what's going to happen in the exact amount of time? And can I follow that? And if I do, I will be right 7 out of 10 times, 9 out of 10 times. Those are the results without using a stop loss. If you don't know what a stop loss is, great. I don't want to teach you what a stop loss is because a stop loss is only good when you get a shitty entry. Think about that. The only time I would stop a trade is if I did it wrong. So I'm going to teach you how to trade without a stop loss so that you only try to get it right, right? So there is more to it. You will eventually learn how to use a stop loss to control your losses, but it's not needed on Nadex because it's already built in. So if you have questions about Nadex, if you have questions about Fibonacci retracements, if you have questions about EMAs, if you have questions about Bollinger Bands and ATRs and RSIs and Keltner channels and all these different things, let me show you how to put it together like a puzzle piece. But instead of going to a yard sale and buying a bag with 500 puzzle pieces, I'm going to give you the complete box. So you can see the picture, you just have to know where to put the pieces together. So, if you have any questions, come hang out with me. It will cost you nothing. I will never ask you for any money, ever. I will only ask you, do you want to go to the next step? So, once again, I'm Coach David. I'm with Trading Friends, and I hope to see you in the trading room. Peace. Now I've got to figure out how to cut this off.